I've been doing TikTok automation for the past year, consistently racking up millions of views per month. However, I've never tapped into motivational videos. So today I'm diving deep into it, making one video, posting it, sharing results and every step of the way with you. So you can just copy me and start printing for yourself. Because I know for a fact that these pages are making a bag. No, but for real, like, why are they making so much money and getting so many views for basically no effort? My honest answer, those that get lots of views, they are really good at hitting emotions like insecurities.
You're just a bitch.
Or wholesomeness.
My mom told me this. Hate has 4 letters, but so does love.
But how do they actually get paid? On Instagram, they usually sell their own ebook or an affiliated product. But on TikTok and YouTube, they make money straight from the views. On TikTok, you get $1,000 per million views. On YouTube, you get around $200 per million views. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. And if you don't get 1 million views in 1 week with this strategy, you can come back to this video and hit this like button. There are a few types of motivational videos. Motivational stories, clips with cool captions, and clips with this sound.
Get to work, man.
I'm gonna show you how to make the last one, because it's the easiest one for beginners. And if you want me to make the video about the other 2 types, just comment down below. But to be honest, you'll need to master this one first, because most important thing in this niche is the idea and the way that you tell a story. And if you don't have a good idea that's definitely gonna get views, then you'll just waste your time making those captions and doing crazy edits. Even Mr. Beast himself said it.
So like, the idea is so freaking important. Like, you could theoretically, most YouTubers watching this, you could pull triple the views with half the work if you just had better ideas. Like, no joke, it's that extreme.
So you'll need to turn your eyes into scanners and scan TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everything. And when you see interesting viral video, you'll have to save it, and then when you get few of them, study what made them go viral and try to come up with something new that nobody made yet but has the potential to go viral. My idea is to make a video about Khabib, or Habib, whatever. I saw this video of him saying that nobody cares what you're going through.
Who cares? You tired or not? Nobody care about you.
And I want to put that into the beginning of the video. And then in the end, I want to play this clip.
What do you believe the future looks like? I know you want to take a little bit of downtime, but
next is Coca-Cola with ice and some steaks with burgers, you know.
The idea is to make people motivated and then at the end to make them laugh. So maybe they'll start commenting about that last part, and because lots of viewers instantly open comments, they'll see something like this. And that will probably increase the chance of them watching the video till the end. Oh, and one more thing, if you don't want to miss out on $25,000 like this guy did. This is his first video that he was monetized on. But before that, he literally got over 40 million views. He wouldn't miss out on at least $25,000 if he knew that you can actually get a monetized account and start making money from your first day. So if you want to start making money today from YouTube or TikTok, you can get a monetized account down in the description. It's 100% legit, but be quick because they run out of stock pretty often and the prices only go up. So now I'll go and search for Khabib's motivational speeches, wisdom words and funny moments. Sometimes it's hard to find these clips and you need to do the reverse image search. But here I saw on his shirt and on this bottle this word written, Wahed. And then I searched for it on YouTube and I found the podcast. I recorded everything that I need, all the clips from different speeches, some are funny, some are just motivational, and I'm gonna send it all to my computer to edit in CapCut. Editing is so simple. You literally only need these 3 things: cut, delete and move. The hardest part of this is searching for the original videos where the clips come from. There is no point in me showing you how to place this clip here and that clip there. I've already placed them where they need to be and removed the unnecessary pauses. And now I'm gonna explain why I did what I did, because the storytelling is the most important part here. And after this, I'm gonna post the video on TikTok on the brand new page just to see how many views will it get and if it's gonna get unoriginal content warning or not for you page. So let's take a look at this video. In the beginning, I decided to put a different clip because this one is much more controversial and hopefully it will be a scroll stopper for lots of people.
In America, we have a few hundred genders. How many genders do you guys have in Russia?
I've got lots of pauses here because I want to make it flow really fast, and like hopefully this will be answer for itself. And then I play this sound, which it's like, I don't know, this is a trend on TikTok for almost a year, maybe even more. And here is this guy. Maybe you know him, maybe you don't. Doesn't matter. Then I played the clip that I told you that I'm gonna play.
You want to become best. You want to become champion. And now you want to say like you tired? Who cares? You tired or not? Nobody care about you.
So there is that part that nobody cares, like Habib mindset, nobody cares about you, tired or not tired, doesn't matter. And then I play a kind of funny clip about him, and it's short.
Last time that you fought a bear.
Like 3 weeks ago.
Different
Pro fought a bear, imagine. And then the next one is also pretty fast.
money. I fight for legacy.
You fight for money, I fight for legacy, again. Brr. And now I go back to the old video that I showed, like nobody cares.
He was tired. He have personal problem, family. Nobody cares.
Khabib.
Like nobody cares, bro. Get over it, nobody cares. Like that's the motivational part here. And now is the part where like Muslim people will maybe comment about it.
Assalamu alaikum. And Connor, congrats on Proper 12.
You cannot say salam alaikum and congrats about whiskey.
I even let that like last almost a second where he drops the mic. Like I could have cut that out, but I left it on purpose. Take a look again.
Whiskey.
And then I played a pretty long one. And this one is kind of emotional.
You put the gloves down, you do so as the #1 pound-for-pound fighter in the world. You go out the way you wanted to as the undisputed UFC lightweight champion. How hard was this week for you overall?
It was my father. Dustin and Conor gonna fight January. I choke him out, both of them.
He choked out both of them. Like there is nothing more for him in this game. Like he finished it. And now I play the funny part.
Next is Coca-Cola with ice and some steaks with burgers, you know. I'm very hungry.
So am I.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you hot?
Huh?
Yeah, like it's pretty funny to me, honestly. And the idea was like to show that he's to make people feel like he's very disciplined guy, like he's super motivated, super hardcore guy, but he's still like a normal person, and he's pretty funny. And I put these two filters, sharpen and black and white, just to lower the chances of us getting the, what's it called, unoriginal content strike. I didn't get one of those in a long time. So it's time to check out the results. Here is the video. I posted it like, I don't know, 15 hours ago or something. I wouldn't say that it got like crazy viral or that it's even gonna go crazy viral, but the thing is, I posted this on a page that I was warming up for French audience. It had like 40% French audience before I posted this on a previous video. These are the stats. Like at the beginning, the average watch time was 8 seconds and now it's 10.5. So it's finding its right audience, but it's still like there are no signs of it that it's gonna go viral because only like 3% of people actually finished the video, watched it till the end. When I first posted it, 0% people watched till the end. Like first 500 views, nobody watched it till the end. After all that being said, how badly do you want to change your life and make real money online? Pretty bad, right? I can help you reach the results that you're looking for with this extremely limited group that I'm launching today, literally on Christmas. All you have to do to apply is click the link down in the pinned comment. I cannot guarantee that you'll be able to join because my team will be skimming through your applications, so only the best ones are gonna be accepted. So if you're ready to take your online business journey to the next level, drop out of school, quit your job, click on the second link in the description to change your life. If you wanna continue being average, that's fine. But if you don't, go down and click the link.